How to check Amazon gift card expiry date. Amazon.com is an online marketplace where customers can buy a wide variety of products, including electronics, books, clothing, groceries, and more. Amazon gift cards generally don't expire in many countries, but if you want to check their expiry or balance details, follow these steps. First, go to Amazon.com websites and log into your account. Search gift card balance on the search box. Click on Check Gift Card Balance. From here you can see the expiration date of your Amazon gift card. That's it. Thanks for watching.